Potter is planning to testify for her own defence. Davis, do you think that this is the right call for her in this instance?
I would say from my experience, in a case like this, I do think it's critical. I'm sure she'll be well prepared. And part of the things that David is talking about, just with the experience of a police officer, are critical here. And really what the state is doing in this case is asking the jury to second guess a police officer that made split-second decisions in a very dangerous and evolving situation. So I think that if she testifies well, that will be critical to this case. I think it's also important that she has an opportunity to speak to the fear that she had for the other officers that were present. One of the things that struck me about the defense's case is they have a second defense in this case. They have a second theory where they're arguing that deadly force was justified in this case because of the risk to other police officers present. You had a police officer, Sergeant Johnson, that was hanging out of the vehicle. So from that perspective, I think it's important that she has the ability to address both what happened with regard to her decision and the mistake that occurred, but also what she was thinking. And this issue of whether or not force was justified, it appears based on the facts we've seen so far that it was.